Want to turn your image into 3D figurine? Let me show you how. Start by choosing a reference image that you want to turn into a 3D model. Then head to ChatGPT or any other AI of your choice where you can generate images. Now, in my case, I'm using ChatGPT, so I'm just going to open up a new chat and then you're going to add in your reference image into click on this add files button, click on add files, which will open up your file explorer, select the image from your device, and that's it. Wait for it to upload and then you can go right ahead, enter in the prompt. Now this is the most important part, so let me show and explain the prompt to you. So here's the prompt. It starts off simple. I'm describing that I want this image to be turned into highly collectible action figurine inside a top toy packaging. Then I've added all the things that needs to be included in the image as pointers so that it's easier for me to keep track of the things that have been mentioned. The things that I've wrote are these right here, which is a custom outfit, accessories. Make sure you mention all the accessories that you want in your toy packaging, and this is the customizable bit, so you need to change it according to the character that you are trying to create. Next up, you have these common things like professional toy packaging, then the name. Here you can write your own name, and then there are a few basic things like cinematic lighting, ultra realistic photography, high detail, and sharp focus. Now all you need to do is click on this send prompt button and wait for ChatGPT to generate an image for you. So here's the finished result. We've got our character name over here, character figurine over here, and all the accessories that we mentioned in the prompt. And as you can see, it is pretty cool looking. The packaging matches the aesthetic of the character and everything looks perfect. In case you want to make any changes or tweaks, all you need to do is add in the follow-up prompt that would look something like this. I want to change this dictionary and add some other book or some other accessory. So I'm just going to ask Tati to do that for me. So the change that I want is to replace the dictionary accessory with a wristwatch. So I'm going to hit send on this one. Okay, so check out this result, and as you can see, our accessory has been replaced from this dictionary to a wristwatch. Now that's literally the easiest way to turn yourself into a collectible toy. But in case you have a specific format in your head, a specific toy packaging, then you can go right ahead and add in your reference image, like simply go to add photos, add in the toy packaging reference that you want to replicate, and then you can ask ChatGPT to recreate this image into the same exact format that you have uploaded, and the prompt would look something like this. So the prompt basically just describes that I want this character image to look like this packaging, but without changing any character or accessories, just copying the design and the packaging style. That's it. I'm going to hit send, and this is the result, which is exactly the same designing and packaging as the reference image that we uploaded. But as you can see, we have got our character as well as accessories from the previous image. So that's how you can replicate a packaging that you like, and that's how you can turn yourself into a 3D collectible toy image. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.